The Honda X Adv 750 is truly a true adventure motorbike, now even fiercer with a new design for the 2025 model. Redesigned twin LED headlights with DL lights that automatically adjust to ambient light. The lighting sector is all LED. Not only the appearance is new, the new LED headlight with integrated direction indicator DCT aggiornato for easier maneuvering for 2025. The technical package affidabile does not change, but does not lack mirati aggiornamenti to offer a more effective and fun guide, which is proven by the current model year. Confirmation that the parallel twin-cylinder engine has a capacity of 745 cubic centimeters of 58.6 horsepower and supports the ride-by-wire and the additional DCT collaboration. The main new feature for the 2025 includes the automatic gearbox by Honda. No performance parameters adjusted using the same technology used for the Africa Twin low speed, less than 10 kilometers per hour. Please support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you. More informations. Please subscribe.